Welcome back. Here we are in the jungle. All right. Let's recap what Vox thinking right now. They're trapped on an island. There's an earthquake. They're trapped. I have power of tree from Pacha into myself, into my bones, into my veins, the tips of my fingers, and all that sort of thing. He comes to the jungle. He says the energy, it feels very heartbroken, he says. Pretty weird thing to say, in my opinion. Don't worry about it. Pretty weird thing to say. But he's resonating with Pacha here. He thinks Pacha needs our help. And it has something to do with teamwork, making the dream work. And that's all we know. So let's figure out what's up. What are you thinking, my guy? It's warm when you touch it. Have you tried? I haven't tried. Let me try. What in the... Oh, I see what's going on. The animals of Pacha abound. You discovered 5 plants. You caught 5 water animals. You gathered 5 animals. Okay. Yeah. So these are like achievements that sort of show us a progression, I think. Yeah, me too, my guy. Now, I'm heckin' lost. Now, here's my thinking. Do I get hardwood from here? Can I chop this thing? No, I can't. I feel like if I were to get hardwood, this would be the place to get it, no? This stream is like purple. What is this? Nothing. Alright, I guess we're going back. So let's now talk to... Do we have any of the... Igrork. I still need 1 day for that. Okay. We'll talk to Igrork. And I think today we can start some more working on the farming area. Where are you? You're just waiting for me beside the farm. We'll start doing some stuff with this area because it's getting on my nerves a little bit. It's kind of ugly. It's kind of messy. Depending, of course, on what Home Slice here says. Let's harvest first. You're not ready. Carrot knowledge. Carrot knowledge? What does that mean? Plants thrive in this land, but why? I tasted the water and it's no different from the other places we've been. The wind doesn't blow any weaker or stronger either. But then I smelled the richness of the soil. I put some of it in vases we used for storage and planted a seed. It grew just like the ones in our fields. Now all there's left to decide is where we want our plant nursery to be. Ah, okay. Spot 1, spot 2, spot 3, spot 4. Why would I want it over there? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Goodness. 13, 1. Because do I want my house to be right here? I think I want my house to be here. Do you think I can move it afterwards? Tricky business. Why don't we put it here? And I'll put my house up there if that's... I'm categorizing all the seeds we've accumulated so far. When Kroll's done, you can browse the seeds I have. Okay. Plant nursery. You finished the idea. Fantastic. So it's going to take a sec to finish building, I assume, because Kroll's working on it. He's also working on my thing, though, which should be done tomorrow, I believe, right? So let's... Why don't we contribute these? Actually, why don't we dry them? We can't dry them. I can't dry fruits and veggies, right? No. Oh, cock. My bad. So I guess I'll contribute all these. And like I say, I'm gonna start working on some of the farming area. And yeah. Let's get to it. All right. So what we've got going so far is this sort of action. Now, what I had in mind was, again, I don't know how much room anything takes up, but I had a vision of like a tree here and here, and then again we have another one of these segments over here, bam, 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 sort of thing, a tree in between each of them. Maybe what we do is we do a fountain, and I don't know if there's going to be like any form of primitive sprinkler or something like that. But if we do have them, maybe here, and then we can put trees here on the in between. Do you know what I mean? So I think we'll clear out spots for those actually too. Might be good. And I am torn a little bit between the stone and the wood paths. I think for now we do stone just because we have so much more of it. But maybe wood in the future. I'm not sure. It does look a little nicer, I think, but yeah, I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. Okay, now you will notice I have seed, and I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna put them down because I'm gonna wait until harvest, and then we can start to organize them, because it is making my brain go a little funky having them be all mixed and matched like that. It's making me mad. So what is this for? Yeah, no, I've seen it. You can finish that tomorrow, and you need more prosperity. Now we have a bunch of prosperity going. I think I'm gonna call it an early day here. Head to sleepy bye, and then we'll see what Kroll needs tomorrow for the animal thing. Okay, we passed 10K, so we can talk to what's her face too, about riding the animals. 1K. Okay, word. So fish might be the play, honestly. If I fish some more and donate a frick ton of fishes, that might be the play. But yeah, whatever. We will see. I think I'm also gonna try and make a flint pickaxe today. From Lady. Gonna be honest, I don't fully remember what was required. I know it was flint and I think stone, which we don't have a surplus of, which is not great. I'm gonna water these first things so I have enough energy, because I almost ran out last time. Okay, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and eat this. Get some stamina back. Now I gotta find... Oh, he's right there. He's building. Sick. Yeah, you work on that, man. Can I talk to you, though? If I'm not building or fixing something, I'm probably asleep. I feel that. Discuss idea. I think the animals would like a basic structure similar to our homes. We'll call it a small shed. It'll have a place to sleep and fresh water so they won't have to go to the river. You've brought me enough materials to build one shed. Sick. I can put it wherever I want. Okay. So assuming... Oh, I need to cut down those trees, though. Right? I can't put it... I can put it on the farm. I'm putting it up here. Can I put it right here? Will I have to clear space for it? I'm doing it. I think that might be cool. That's great. I'll start working on it soon. Because I don't... Timberable animals can be invited to live in your fields once they're fully attuned. Fields. You first need to build an animal shed for them to live in. Yeah? These animals need to eat every day. Each morning they'll go outside to graze. You can also fill their troughs and make sure they have enough food to eat if they can't find grass outside. They can be filled with fiber and grains. Okay. Animals that haven't fed the previous day will be hungry and not want to interact with you as much. A hungry animal can be hand-fed to alleviate their hunger that day. Okay, cool. Sheds need to be cleaned periodically. If left dirty, it'll increase the chance of an animal getting sick. Okay. So, what I'm hearing is having the animals on the same plot of farmland that I have my farm on is not a good call. Right? I think that's what I'm hearing, because they're going to be roaming and they're going to want to eat grass and stuff. So maybe I say big oopsie, and put the farms down here instead. And then, but this is like a really weird shape. So it might be better to have the animals down here and the farms up here. I think if there is like sprinkler things, having that in the bigger area would be better though, because I think it's gonna be more lucrative, right? But yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go check how much stone, maybe wood, I need for the upgraded pickaxe. And then I will. Is she over here? She's right here. Let's just have a chat. Sometimes you have to break a rock to make it stronger. That's facts. So you need 15 wood and 15 plants. 15 wood, 15 plants. I don't think I have 15 wood, but I can get it from the fields. I have 3. Let's split 15. Just so we have the right amount anyway. And we'll grab some of this wood. We'll get 15 wood. And then we will start. Hello? And then we'll get the pickaxe going. Come back. I have a job for you. Make this. What do you mean I'm still here? You're a jerk, you know that? Big bully. Oh, a bunch of seeds. Okay. Are we pals yet? No. How about us? Are we pals? I don't think so. So can I break these things? No. That's the big question, I think, is do we move the farmland down here and have the animals be up top? I'm not sure. Dude, I don't know. Okay, I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna move the farmland down here and have the animals up top. Yeah. I've decided. However, we can still have trees up top, I think. I think we'll keep trees up top maybe, and then have this just be farmland. Or maybe we'll put trees down in the bottom where it's all funky wonky. Do you know what I mean? I'm not sure. I think maybe we'll do that. I'll figure it out. And as of right now, can I chop this yet? Not yet, no. I want to clear a little bit of this stuff, but I'm gonna go, before it gets too late in the day, attune some of those animals so that when Kroll is finished with that stuff, we can have them ready to come in, you know what I mean? I'm not sure if we need like a big friendship level with them or something to actually ask if she can do my chores. I praise Pacha for her every day. Pretty weird. But yeah, so we'll see, because he's gonna take a while on this thing, I think, and then he's got to start that. So we have a second. But I think like I said, I don't know if you need a certain friendship level for them to move in, because you need a certain friendship level to pet the wolves, right? So petting, moving in. Do you know what I mean? I feel like petting is lower on the list there, meaning I'd be able to pet them before they'd be down to come move in. But I don't know. So I'm gonna head over and we're gonna blow through the stick. Okay. I tuned the boars, the bunnies, and the goat, man. But the wolves aren't here. They're usually up here. I don't know if they move or aren't there every day. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. But yeah, they're just not here. Which, I mean, it's fine, I guess. But, a little quirky, a little weird and wacky. Now, I think what I'm gonna do now is I need to get my energy back up. And I think I'm gonna catch a bunch of fish and then dry them so we can contribute them, because dried fish seem to contribute a decent amount as of right now. So I think that's the play. It's a new one. What is it? Tic Tac. It looks like a lizard. That's crazy. I got a Tic Tac. Let's dry that bad boy up. He's probably gonna do a decent amount, right? I think it'll be dry by tomorrow if we put him on. He'll be done. 1, 2, 3. Let's hit the hay. Crawl should be finished. I mean, my pickaxe will be done. And I'm not sure if Crawl will be finished the plant thing. We'll see. Because I want him to get started on the shed really quick so we can get the animals in there. And then I gotta get him to build my house so I can get the bunnies in my own house because I live with a bunch of weirdos right now. I don't imagine it's finished. I think it might have had something go on during the night if it was done. It is done. Okay. Now he's on the shed, right? Right? Can you get out of the way? Maybe he'll get there. I don't know. He's slacking off. We got some harvest. I'm gonna water these really quick, and then we're gonna go see what on earth is up with that. There he is. He's getting to work. He's on the grind. What a guy. Alright. Let's see what the deal is with this. Ada and I both talk to plants, but she actually understands what they're saying. You're a weirdo. View seeds. A 13? Does it cost hands to do stuff? Oh, it will grow and yield carrot once only. Only once. I'm having a stroke. After 4 days while in season. Okay. So it must use hands. Yeah, so it's actually money. And I get money for contributing. I didn't know if money was like a thing. Which sounds weird to say. Because obviously it's a thing. But, you know, I thought we were all helping the tribe out. But no, you're charging me. Like a bunch of jerks. But I guess it's whatever. So we're going to contribute these. And then we will go... do you have my pickaxe done? Yes, you do. Love it. I don't like you. You love rocks. You're a weird person, you know that? So yeah, it costs contributions. Do I need to have 250 to... Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm a little confused. I think that's probably just money and I'm being a goofy guy. But I'm not 100% sure. So, let's continue. That looks so cool, by the way. They did a great job. Let's continue to clear out this. I'm going to leave the long grass, though, so the animals have stuff to eat. Okay, I've got basically no mana now. Which is, it's whatever. I can eat some potatoes, I suppose. Doing some yoga in the park. Have you been to the caves in the forest? I have. You're a little too busy? Understood. Here, do you want these? This will be useful to the clan. Thanks. You're welcome. So I assume that's light gift, eh? Can I dance? Ah, you turd. You're not... It doesn't sort by friend level. It's alphabetical. Which is like, eh. It's neutral. Brother! I need... to know... what the light gifts are. Because I have no idea. Now... Ooh, probably flowers, eh? I'm gonna give it to Lebanon. Hello? I found her. With ease. No struggles. You did follow Gelrod. Who the frick is Gelrod? I forget. Do you want this flower? Amazing. You're welcome. Did you love it or did you like it? Whoa. What is this? Dishes. I probably need a house, eh? First. Trees. Animals. There's a lot of animals. Where's the wolves? There's the wolves. I haven't discovered a boar? Fish? Where's the tic tac? There he is. 1 arm and 1 finger long. Crocodile head makes it so scary, but it's just pretending to be dangerous. A little weird. Alright. River fish, river fish, river fish. River fish. What is this? Items. Flower. Help heal colds. Okay. What was I doing? Right, people. I wish I could sort it by happiness. Oh, you love it. Sick. Okay. Is there any more? Because it's these ones, but they've not bloomed. Playing with sticks. You do that. They've not bloomed. Let's see. I didn't notice if there was any harvestables in the jungle. I do tread into the jungle. You're right. I didn't notice. So let's take another looky see. I don't think there's any in here. I feel like there should be. This is not a big space though. It's just this thing, right? Unless maybe maybe we unlock expansions to it later. But I think Venus flytrap. Can I lick it? Just kidding. I don't want to lick it. I found one. I'm gonna keep it looking. Folks, I did not find any more. I'm gonna give this to Mana, see if she likes it. Come back here, you little goober. I've already given a gift to her today. Just kidding, I'm not gonna gift it to her. Okay, so I think tomorrow I'm gonna give this to Mana. I'm gonna call her Mana. And then we will see if she likes it. If she does, sick. If she doesn't, big fat L. Yeah, I'm gonna go attune. And then I don't think he'll be finished that tomorrow. But maybe he will be. Yeah, I know. Do I have to click view on map for it to go away? Oh, wait. Plant fiber and 3... I ate all my potatoes. Frick! Tomorrow, hopefully we'll have some more harvest. I found another one. And then, we can talk to her about riding animals. I don't think we can probably ride bunnies, eh? Probably not. That'd be wild. Alright. We've attuned the M&Ls. Now, we'll get to see how much stuff we got from our fishes. We'll do that. And then I think I'm going to hold off until next time to give the flower to Mana and see if she likes it. But for now, let's just see... We contributed the fish yesterday, correct? Or is that... No, okay. Okay, so 1 is 67. That's pretty decent. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty good. Fishes might be the way to go to get hands. So contributions is money. Prosperity is overall shablamos. Got it. All right. So next time, we're gonna try and get some animals in. We're gonna talk to people. We're gonna give them presents. It's gonna be fantastic. Yeah.